Satu, dua, tiga.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, first of all, let's thank to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has been given us mercies and blessing so we can attend and gather at this class again. And today I would like to presenting my project. Before that, I'd like to introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Fadlan Hairi, and this is my partner.
Yeah, let me introduce myself. My name is Fadil Ahmad Fuzul Mubin.
Today we would like to presenting our project AGFP. Okay, this is the topology. Okay, so for this occasion we made one center router with the 3 branches at the company with the name PT Yaudah Iya. So this topology is actually very simple and easy to remake, and we could practice it by ourselves. So we made 3 network branches company which is had a center with the center network. Okay, this is for the instruction. For the first, we did configuration for all of IP address fit on the topology, and then the second IP address that has purple color, it was IP loopback, and then at the first router or router Yogyakarta, there was the configuration for AGRP filtering distribute list that accepting the center router, and then there was configuration AGRP summarization. And then for the center router, there are the configuration for path selection delay and path selection bandwidth. And then for the center router and the other branches, there was configuration for unicast update. For the other router, there was configuration for redistributed IP and redistributed OSPF. And this is I made a keychain with the name Fakat, and the key string is itulah. Okay, for the basic configuration, AGRP is advertising IP at the old router that was at display, and we did, and the result will be like this, based on the topology. Okay, this the purple color of IP. This is IP loopback. This was IP loopback. This was IP loopback, and this is IP loopback. And we set it all with each branches. There are IP addresses too. Okay, for the first configuration is about AGRP filtering distribute list and AGRP summarization. At the center router, we could check that we already made IP loopback and advertising the IP into the devices, and then as you can check when we're setting IP distribute list. Yes. When we set AGRP filtering distribute list at the first router, there is exception for the center router. So when we are want to deliver packet from the first router into the fourth router, the center router will not be able to reach anything packet. Okay, the second configuration is about AGRP summarization. We did AGRP filtering distribute list into the first router, and then we did configuration for AGRP summarization. What is the function of AGRP summarization? Is the purpose is for match some of the network into the one of network that it's more bigger, we can say supernetting or reverse of subnetting. And now we could check the IGRP summarization at the first router. Scroll. This we have set for the interface IP loopback. For the first IP loopback is 1.1.1.1 and the others 10.10.10 and the others. Okay. And if you're wondering how to do IP summary address, how to do configuration and IP summarization, the comment is like this. You have to enter the interface first, and then you can type IP summary address AGRP and the IP and the entire of the IP that you want to summarize. And then we next to the check into the other router, and this is the result. This is for the summarization. This is for the summary default route. The IP summary was success into one IP, and it was summarized by the AGRP. Okay, for the next is about path selection delay and path selection bandwidth. If we done do check at the center router, we get next into the next configuration. It was path selection delay and path selection bandwidth that we config at the center router, but we want to check the path selection delay at the center router, and this is the result for the configuration. This this do show IP route with the IP loopback, and this was for delay. The delay was changed into 100,000 and 100,000 and 105,000. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. At the above there are the result, and for the next we check the path selection bandwidth that of course we check at the center router, and this is the result. The minimum bandwidth was changed into the 10,000 from the 6,000 or 7,000, I forget. And for the next is about unicast update. For the configuration unicast update that config at center router and router to router, but we check at the center router. This for the comment debug IP packet detail. The IP packet was change delivered by this IP, not the default again. Next. And then redistribute RIP. After we check configuration. Next we do configuration redistribute IP that we config at the fourth router, and as usual we check at the center router. Again. Okay, this the IP was entering the center router that we had actually redistributed into the AGRP, and this the flag is AX, or we can say AGRP external that was entering the AGRP. Okay, next. Okay, for the next redistribute SPF, after we do redistribute RIP, we next to redistribute SPF that may that was actually the last config. But we do at the third router, and after the config we will check it as usual at the center router. This is for the IP loopback for the yes, this is for the IP loopback for the OSPF that actually was entering the AGRP. That was actually entering the AGRP configuration. Okay, for the last, this is the keychain and the keystring. We can check at the center router. We set the keychain and the keystring at the all of branches that was at display of topology. Then as usual we could check it at the center router, and this is the result. For the command, do show keychain, and then they will show your keychain and the password. And this is the keychain, sobat, and the keychain the keystring kita lah. Okay, maybe that's all. Any question?
Can you solve it actually in the Pinet Lab?
Yes.
Solve the result
Oh.
in Pinet Lab.
Tuh.
After your Pinet Lab,
Katanya udah masuk dulu. Belum. Ini IP-nya 10.2.3.1. 10.2.3.1.
I made sure on the VMware. This channel.
Udah gue press tadi.
Ini. The first I wanna ask about the keystring configure in the router.
Yes.
Router where to where?
From the center router into the east of branches.
Branches, all branches.
Yes.
You can check for the site to Jakarta. Center router into Jakarta site. The what is it? Authentication.
Jakarta. There's no Jakarta.
Jakarta.
Yogyakarta. Cek dong.
Yang di Jogja. Aduh.
You know what comment? You check the HRP MD5. You know the comment?
Debug JRP paket.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Not at configuration terminal, exit.
Oh,
Yeah, ada president semua. Exit. Exit first. Okay.
Debug JRP.
Yeah. Where is the authentication? There is no authentication here. Oh, okay. There is receive packet with device authentication. Okay. Enough.
No.
And then next you can solve or explain the Unicast output
Okay, Unicast update.
on your tablet. Very powerful the Unicast output. Center into site Malang.
Yes.
You know what the comment?
Debug IP paket detail.
Yeah.
user center.
Hah?
User center atau user center?
Itu
Jauhnya itu. Robot. Paket ya.
Okay. And okay, for me, the deliver is so good. And then the language is for English is good. But you are missing the thing like explain about or tell about how long have you been working or doing on this project. It's the first, and then the progress this project you don't tell everyone here. And then what is the difficult or obstacle you're doing this project? You can explain right now.
Okay.
The first is how long have you been working?
Okay. For the first, we've been working on this project for around 3 days maybe, because of the topology is not too complicated, and we made the simple one. And then for the second, we did the progress this project.
Yeah, like 100% or 90%.
We did the progress of this project 100% at the last day, the third day. And then for the obstacle and the struggle, maybe we just like struggle at making the presentation because of like we have to check one by one of the router, and then yeah, maybe this.
Okay, maybe enough for me. And there are other question?
Wait.
Yeah, please give your friends question. Apa aja, tanya. Satu lah minimal, satu atau dua.
If I want to change the center router from router 2 to router 1, if I want to change the center router into the router 1,
how could it be? This is the company router,
Yeah,
the center router, and then you want to change into this branches. Maybe it's cannot drop.
Why?
Why?
Because of like if you imagine that the center router we place it at the Jakarta and this is the Jogja, it's take too many times for replacing the router. But for the configuration maybe we could save it and just export into this router. Any question again? Akram,
No.
Akram,
Hilmi,
Heli, give your friend.
or minimally one.
Can you test ping PC to PC?
Oh, okay.
Which PC?
Which piece?
From Yogyakarta to Jayapura.
Bisa. Wait. From
From Yogyakarta to Jayapura.
well, at least this router.
Kan?
Try. Ping 3.3. This is Question, bro.
PC to PC. PC to PC. Ay.
Coba PC ke PC.
Yeah, you can check first the PC on Jayapura or the IP address.
Hah?
Cek dulu IP addressnya berapa di Jayapura. Nah, okay.
Hilmi,
If there is a problem from in router 3 or router 2, what will you do the first time?
the first time, of course, we check the configuration, where is the error system, and then after that we can request for the new configuration. Wow.
You know?
If the problem is PC1 cannot ping to PC3, what you will do?
Maybe we could check for the configuration each router, because of like we did the configuration of course as the router, and maybe there's something problem at the router and we could check it one by one.
Yeah. Okay, can you pause this?
Okay, maybe that's all from us. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.